In this video, we'll show you how to complete the installation of a GARD 700 series lock with a display. Following these steps will pair the keypad to the lock and create the master user ID 00 with the combination of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start by pressing the green return button. Press the down arrow and select Install Lock and press the green return button again. When the display says Enter ID, enter 00. Next, the display will say Enter Combo. Enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Select Yes if this is the primary lock, or select No if this is a secondary lock in a multi-lock system, and press the green return button to complete the operation. The lock display will say Success Install Lock. This completes the installation operation of the GARD 700 series lock with a display. For customer service, contact Dormakaba.